you guys back here chasing racks outdoors. I actually don't know why I'm actually holding this deer, but alright, chasing racks, get it? And yeah, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to reline a fishing pole. So, first you got to get a fishing pole, okay? Then, what the? Oh no! Oh, it took me so long to do. Anyways, where's the capper? Check. So put the line down through your eyes. Literally, not your eyes. The line or the eye on the fishing pole. So I'm up here in my studio, just showing you guys how to do reline a fishing pole, and hopefully those you don't know how to line a fishing pole, hopefully this can teach you guys something. Now this is my one of my bass rods. I only have one push button reel, and this is a push button reel. All my other ones are like bait casters and spin rods. And now once you get that done, it's messier. Okay, take your line, stick it down through the coupling of this, pull it through. Okay. Okay, it's working. So, see this part, bell. Take your line, wrap it around this bell, tie it about 4 times, and then I'll get back with you. Okay. Now, get your cup. This is what I mean by the cup. Pull it on top and kind of just twist it on until it's snug. Now take the end there, and then what is that? My studio is kind of small. Okay, now I'm going to get a pencil. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I actually got a pen. Stick it through this hole. This will make it easier for winding. Now, like I said, this is going to be challenging. I am by myself. So if you got a pen and you're by yourself, stick this right between your knees and push. Okay? Now, wind this up. Keep the knots out of it. What is this? Just keep the knots out of it. I'm actually going to stick this under my foot. Just to keep some tension on there. And that'll actually be best. looks like I need to work on my drag. Okay, that just got wrapped up around my foot. Now, do that a whole bunch more times. I'd say do that about 50 to 60, depends if you're pond fishing, lake fishing, creek fishing, backyard fishing. I mean, it depends on how much line you need, but just in case you get stuck in trees a lot, you're gonna need some good line because you're gonna have to snap it. I'll be back with you guys after I do that. Okay, and that is finally it. Kept cranking, and then just put the bobber or sinker or just bait it up or something. I just put this bobber on here for weight so it didn't get tangled up. And now, right now, she is ready to go. So, I hope I can help you, but I'm gonna do a demonstration right now. She is ready to go fishing. Good luck out there. Be safe. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next Chasing Racks Outdoors.